Shut up, you stupid car! Yay. Welcome to a new video for not too grand. I have acquired another car. And I say acquired because I haven't paid for it. It's this Citroën ZX. That one right down there. And it was free. So join me then, won't you, on this voyage of discovery. This is the first time I've seen it. It was delivered yesterday in the dark. I drove it into this spot and it has sat there all night. So it's already quite cool because look, the little straps on little ratchet things which I can't reach with one hand. So got the shopping list there, obviously, you need that. But look at the interior, it's so plush and so French. And I believe, yeah, oops, excuse me, there's a handle there, and the back seats move, oh, armrest, all the luxury. And a fire extinguisher, which is always handy for a car I own. It's nice in there, you know, for an old French car. So now we're in the beast. Some cobwebs there, some cobwebs there, and some cobwebs there. Seats need a bit of a clean, but that is to be expected. GoPro mount there for doing sick videos. We've got a Pioneer USB head unit for the fat pumping French electro pop. Maybe a bit of what are they called? I can't remember now. Electro swing band. Oh, that's going to annoy me. Anyway, that kind of music. Gear shifter for shifting gears. A clock which doesn't seem to be fitted very well. More cobwebs. A vent. A button to make the alarm stop doing alarm things, which is what we need. That's why it's not running at the minute. The battery is disconnected because I'm having alarm issues in that it's not shutting up, but we'll address that in due course. This is just a cursory look at the car. So keypad, they're French. Vents for those people who like vents. Only has one wiper, so that will keep hub not happy. Seats are bloody lovely though, so comfortable, and I've got a sunshine roof. Good lads in the sunshine. I don't know if it works, I've not tested that yet. I think I've sorted the alarm thing out. There's an alarm kill button there, and you have to do some sort of door locking, pressing, ignition turning thing to do. Honest John came up with the answers, so you got to do all that. But I've put the code in. Sorry for the wavy camera. It's in neutral, so it should start now. Ah. She's a peach. Listen to that Frenchness. Oh, bit of smoke there, which I should probably be concerned about. That'll be fine. Oh, got a stereo of pumping bass rhythms. I don't know how to tune it, but I can't tune it because then I'll be in breach of some sort of copyright and YouTube will not let me put this video on, so that can go away. Go away! Ah! No, I don't want menu, turn off. Goodbye. Glove box for your gloves. Look how happily it ticks over. What a car! What a thing! So then, what are the plans for this fine French beast? Well, I think there's a nice narrative to be had here in that this car has been used on banger rallies. Two, to be precise. And when it was used, it was just an old car. Whereas now it's been sat in a lock-up garage for 3-4 years. And now all of a sudden, everyone's like, where the hell have all the Volcanes gone? Which is how you say it, not Volcane, how I've been saying it for years. And it's a good solid car. It's only got 98,000 miles on it. It runs, as you've seen. It seems pretty solid. Obviously, I've yet to get underneath it, but I will do that in due course. But it runs, it doesn't smoke, it sounds quite happy. It's driven to Nice twice. So it's a good basis for something that we can maybe bring back. You know, Twitter and Facebook has been alive with talk of how good these cars are, and I would like to experience that. I would like to put some miles on it and see what it's like. You know, I'm overwhelmed with it. I think it's a really nice car. But I would, because I'm broken that way. So when somebody sends me a free car that's full of spiders and death, I sit there and giggle like a fat kid in a sweet shop. But yeah, there's potential here, I think. So I've got some service bits for it. So we'll do that. We'll service it. We'll the clutch is a bit heavy. That probably wants freeing up. So we'll do that. We'll give it a clean up, make it look decent again. Well, not the paint. We'll get it MOT'd first, hopefully, and then we'll paint it black again and make it look nice. I mean, the paintwork is shot. It's absolutely shot, so it will just be a rattle can job in the end. But I've got somewhere I can do it inside. You know, we can certainly make it look better than it does now, which is the main thing. But yeah, on the whole, I'm pretty damn impressed with it. I think it's a nice, fun project, and yeah, it means I'm not posting about Rover 800s. So that's the ZX and all of its glory. Fingers crossed we can bring it back to life a bit. Unless of course I set fire to it because that alarm won't shut up. In the meantime, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I've left this to the end because I know people don't like it being rammed down the throats, but we've got merchandise now, link at the bottom. We've got a Patreon as well. Anything you could do to help us carry on, we'll keep making good content for you. See you in the next instalment when we bust out the spanners.